More trash. Always more trash. We're at the home. Okay, here's what's happening today. Okay, it's end of the day. Uh, got some stuff out of the garage. A lot of the doors are out of here, which is cool. A lot of the molding trim is out of here. Looky what we have. We have a refrigerator. We have a hood vent. We have a dishwasher. We are still back ordered on the range. It should be arriving this week or next week. We have a kitchen. Oh my gosh. Look at that. We have a kitchen. Oh, and what else do we have? We have windows. And we have doors that are in. Look at that. Moving right along. So this is the layout. So we're good there. Microwave. Got all the tile here. Tile guy starts tomorrow. Nice cool doors, huh? There's some new doors. But actually, we got a lot of them hung already throughout the house. So here, there's 2 panel. I like just things happening there. Doors. Double shelf and pole. You probably already saw that yesterday. Maybe not. We're gonna just put the casings on the door. Oh, bathroom cabinets. We got bathroom cabinets in, doors, bathroom cabinets. Let's move up there. You saw the security cameras. Got cameras all over with these little stickers. Little stickers that say security in use here. Cameras. So I got 5 of these in the house. So we just want to protect our investment. Oh, it's a double shelf and pole. Left one for long hanging on the side, and then double hanging for shorter stuff. Going through here. So all the drywall was done. Everybody's already scheduled for the tile. Like I said, tomorrow, tile guy will be in here. Bandages in here. So we're ready up here. Doors. More doors. Vanities. Oh, I think it's your vanity. Oh, this is so really cool. So that's where we're at. Right there. Oh, we gotta switch the doors around, but got power there for inside. Side plug over here. Just gotta switch these doors around. Not this door, but switch that other one around. So they open the same. Well, it might be good to have them open this way because then you won't have to go around it putting your makeup on or something. But yep, so these are all in place. We'll put the handles on later. Nice soft close. See how nice that is? All soft close cabinets. The doors are the same way. Doors don't slam, they're soft close. Let's do that again because it just looked good. Soft close. See, so. Yeah. Okay. Moving along. Some more doors. I've got most of the closets. This is going to be double hung. So as soon as I get the panel board up in it, and then this is going to be single hung for the one wall. So if they have a lot of long clothes, there you go. This door goes here. I think he's modifying the door or something. Not sure. Let's head up here. So we got double hung. We left a place for long hanging in the closets, and then I know these look kind of high, but there's actually room up here for storage if need be, but at least you could do 2 rows of clothes in these closets. So we can stand back a little bit more. Look at that. Yeah, just it's looking good. Carpenters just be back tomorrow as well. Starting to look like a home, but I like your idea. I think that was good, really good. We extended that a little bit. Looks like the window sills and the countertop match up right next to each other. We put a spacer under the windows right here. So we could actually maybe put countertop material across there, and the countertop material will go into the window ledge bottom right there. So that works out perfect on the height. So we're good there. Like I said, there's a well, it's used microwave, but it's actually brand new. It was only like a month and a half old. So $100 instead of 3 or 4 or whatever that was. And that's where it goes. They will modify the box with some fillers and stuff. But yeah, so. Got to do the stucco repair around the windows as well. They had this flashing above the window. I think we got to take out now too. So yeah, they redid it when they did that plant window. So a little bit of stucco repair on the outside, but we got the door off the ground, which was great. So got to do a little repair on the bottom, but that should be fine.